Let's practice this meditation lying down. So lie down comfortably on your back, either on your bed or on your mat. And take a few deep, slow breaths. Inhaling completely, belly, chest, upper chest, and exhaling like a wave. Deeply in and exhaling out. Spend a few more minutes breathing on your own rhythm, nice and slow and deep. Let's start together. Let's inhale together on the count of 3. Deeply in. Now exhale all the way out. All the way out. Push it out. Empty yourself completely and hold the breath out. Hold it as long as you can, but just allow the inhale to come. And when the inhale comes, open your eyes. Inhaling deeply in. And then close your eyes again. Exhale all the way out. Empty yourself. And hold the breath out. Allow the inhale when it comes and open the eyes. And again, exhale all the way out with closed eyes and hold the breath out. Continue breathing this way, listening to your own body at your own rhythm. We'll do this for a few minutes, opening the eyes when you feel you need to inhale and closing them again on the exhale. The exhale, hold the breath out. See if you can hold it just a little bit longer after the point where it becomes uncomfortable. Keep breathing this way for a little longer, emphasizing the exhaled breath and hold. Let's do a few more together. So stop where you were and let's inhale together deeply in. Eyes open. Inhaling to full and exhale. Hold the breath out. Deep inhale, filling to full, and take another little small breath, and exhale all the way out. And hold. On your next inhale, just begin to breathe normally again. Allowing your natural breathing rhythm to come back. Now imagine your body is dead. It's heavy. An empty shell lying limp into the ground. Bring your attention to the tips of your toes. Now imagine there was a fire there, burning your toes. And the fire travels up through your body, burning your feet, burning your calves away to ash. Fire travels up through your knees, burning away your thighs, and your hips. So your legs are now only ash, and the fire continues burning you up through your abdomen and lower back, burning away your internal organs, up through your chest and shoulders, burning your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your hands, and your fingers. So your whole body from the neck down has been burned away to ash. And now your neck is consumed by the flames, burning away your face, your hair, your whole head completely engulfed by the flame. burned away. Now your whole body is nothing more than ash. Your center remains, the seat of your soul. You can still feel your center, but your body itself is dead. It is just ash. A slight breeze comes and blows some of your ash remains away. And imagine the wind keeps blowing more of your ash away into the air. Your body's completely gone, but your center still remains. Your awareness continues. Stay here for another minute or so, bodiless, only spirit and awareness. And come back to the physical. Feel your body again materialize before you. Bringing life back into it, feeling the blood pumping through your veins, hearing your heart beat. Notice your breathing. Slowly coming alive, wiggling the fingers and toes. And choosing to remain here for some time. If it is time to rest. But if it is not time to rest, then rolling to one side and gradually getting back up and going about your day. Thank you for practicing today.